Man, you can't put that on there.
Why can't I put this right on YouTube? Look at that. Ain't that funny? Hello, y'all. It's me. It's the N.D.T. show. In today's episode, I like to call corn and stuff. You know what time it is? It's time for another exciting episode of the N.D.T. show. Yeehaw! Hey, y'all. You know what time it is? It's time to go through our yard here. Show you some more maters. Show you a little update of the garden here, what's going on. We've had no rain in sight for quite some time. Maybe a little drizzle here and there. Mostly hot. Feels like 110 degrees out here. Been warm. Without further ado, let's take a peek and show you our garden. Take a peek. You want to? Now, like I said, folks, it is July. It is July. Everything is, coming to a slow halt or a slow process, winding down. But a few things, as you can see from our last video, these maters was a little small. They are growing now. They are getting big again. We are still producing. But they're drying up, of course. But we've had oolins and oolins of maters off of these vines. Look at that big one still yet. I'm going to pick that and I'm going to pick them all today. Pick some more today. I will throw up some pictures of what we picked today and what we picked in the last week or so. Here's the corn. We've already had corn off of it, y'all. We've had some corn off of it, and I'll throw them pictures up as well near the end of the video. Look at that corn. Late cucumber patch is almost starting to run. Folks, almost starting to run. And we dug our other cucumbers up, pulled the vines up. They was already dried out, wasn't going to bear no more. We're going to make no more. And now we have a reddish patch. Reddish patch sowed. Will they come up? I don't know. I don't think that's reddish coming up. I think that's weeds, but it could be reddish. We have never sowed reddish before, so this is our first time sowing it here. And of course our late squash. Our late squash is just now coming on. Check it out. Yeah. Late squash is now coming on. Our zucchini is still burning. Look at this. Digging right there, I'm going to pick him. Yep, I want to pick our okra. Finally getting up a little higher and starting to bloom. May just make. Finally, look at that. The bloom. Finally. Now our squash is about drizzled out, but as you can see, it's taking little growth still yet. Yeah. Our main mater patch. I mean, we've got bundles and bundles of maters off of it, y'all. There's still bundles of maters still left in there that I had to pick today. I mean, they're in there like wads. We've had them everywhere. There are other mater patch, look. Hanging in wads. Tommy toes. Cherry tomato. Look at that. Nice maters, y'all. Nice maters. And we've had a bunch of sweet pepper off of this thing this year. Sweet peppers grow more this year than I've ever seen it grow. For some odd reason. We've had a bunch off of that. Usually it comes in around last of August, September-ish, and lasts up to about October. This year, it's come in right at the get-go, and it is produced. Now our late cucumber patch, not the late one, but the late one, look here. As you can see, folks, it is hot. And it's already taken the downward spiral, so to speak, in spots because it's just so hot. No rain. We're supposed to get a thunderstorm this evening, though. Don't care for thunderstorms. We can take the rain. I can take the rain. Look here, a cucumber. Yeah, nice one. Looks like we're gonna pick those too. It is just hot, folks, here in East Tennessee. And there's some more tomatoes we got. And as you see, they're hanging in wads as well. And they're still blooming. And the watermelon is finally growing on in out. Finally growing on out here. Will it make, I don't know, it's already end of July. Comment below and let me know what you think about this watermelon. Will it produce? That wraps it up from the N.D.T show. To y'all out there in the world, wherever you may be, good morning, good day, good night. Thanks y'all for watching an exciting episode of the N.D.T show. So we'll catch you on the next one. And y'all don't forget to yeah.